Little boy. They're gonna tune it up. I'm gonna show you how to, they're gonna use this tool right here. Spark tester. I got you one, the same exact one. OTC. But this is pretty cool. I like this tool. You can do multiple things with this tool. Like, I'll show you some examples of what you can do with it. Let's see if we can. Try to figure out where to put my camera at. So that'll be good. We can go to battery. Positive. Touch our light on ground. As you can see, the light does light, which is showing us the test we can do. Some more stuff we can do with it. We can check some fuses. I found out going to just like the brake lines. Actually, it's awesome. For ground, go positive. Lights my light. Now see if we touch up against these fuses. If both sides of the light of the fuse lights, then it's a good fuse. Good, 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 good. Now when one side's but the other side don't, then what you have is a blown fuse. Now when either side is not lighting, you have no control. And that's a 20-amp fuse. And of course Ford doesn't give you what they are, but I'm having no problems with it, so it's not a fuse problem or a control problem or a power or ground problem. It's just because I don't have the key. So I'm doing it all with the key off. Keys right here in my pocket. A couple other things you can do with this test. Is you can, if the truck is not starting, you can go right over here to the coil pack and make sure it's getting power and control. If it's not getting control, then you jump over to this module. But where I'll go first is, since I have a PIPS signal here, I'm at a spout connector. I would remove that and see if it starts. If it don't, then I can connect my test light to ground. And then this top wire right here on this control module, that's my PIP signal. And then I can back probe that wire with this test light and make it smoke. Pretty cool. I really like it though. Then wires here. So we got the ground right there. Looks like we got some pins right there. I'm gonna assume that they was using this as a ground. So I'm gonna use the ground. So now what I can do maybe I need to have the key on. Just turned my emergency flashes on so my blinkers would light so I can check the turn signal. I've seen it glow. One of them. Oh, look at that. Huh. That's a good sign. That right there is my turn signal feed. See it glowing? I'm hearing a bunch of sirens. That's a cable style right there. That's how we daggone turn it up. Guys, remember that one? Change that. I still have to get that fixed. But yeah, I don't see no open in the wiring. Wiring looks perfectly fine just by, you know, got your luck now, hold up. Yeah, that's how it turns up. F350 right there, still working on that. 140,880